Michelle here with Strawberry, and today we are going to do an unpacking of a shoebox for Operation Christmas Child. I haven't done one of these on my channel for quite a while, a few months, so I think it is time for me to do one. This one is going to be for a girl ages 10 to 14. And while we're talking about shoeboxes, my birthday is next week, and for my birthday I'm asking for gifts for my shoeboxes. I have an Amazon wish list that I will have linked below if you would like to help contribute. I've got items starting at just $7, and I would appreciate any gifts that you wanted to send, even if it's not on my list, and I will show them in an unboxing video soon. All right, here's my shoebox. I put my label towards the very bottom. It says place label here, but if you put it like right on top in the middle, it's gonna probably get covered up with the tape at the processing center because they tape them around the center of the boxes. I always like to try to put it at the very bottom. This box lid I have not decorated. Sometimes I decorate my box lids, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I draw on them, sometimes I create something on Canva to glue on here, or a calendar page. Sometimes I just leave them plain. This one's plain. This is the box. This is what this girl is going to see. She has a note from me. She has a composition book. She has this stuffed heart. Now this was an after Valentine's clearance from Walmart. It's very soft velvet. It says Bridgerton, and I thought it would be perfect for a 10 to 14-year-old girl. Her wow item here is inside of this organza bag. It is a Hair Amazing doll. Walmart used to sell them in packages of several of them, and I haven't seen them lately. I hope they didn't get rid of them because I really liked the Hair Amazing dolls. She also has an extra necklace and hanger and an extra dress that I got her. And they package up all so nicely in this bag. And the brush that I put in here with her, she can use either on her doll, on herself, or even on both. She has a cup. This cup comes with a lid and a straw. Inside the cup, we have a t-shirt. This one was an after Christmas clearance from Walmart. It says, "'Tis the season to sparkle." And she also has a pair of underwear. Next, we have a little hygiene kit in an organza bag, smaller this time. She's got a couple of ponytail holders, nail clippers, nail file, and some chapstick in there. She has this little heart container, and inside there's a pretty little necklace. I don't know if you can, that's upside down. It's got some little diamondy, sparkly stones in it. Thought that was really pretty for a girl this age. She has this cloud, and inside here is there's some cording to make a bracelet and some pony beads so that it's a bracelet making kit. I think she'll have a lot of fun with that. We have a pencil pack, and inside her pencil pack she has some stickers, a glue stick, a toothbrush, a comb, 5 pencils, a pair of scissors, a pen, a pencil sharpener, and 4 pencil top erasers. So she should have all of the supplies that she needs for school. School supplies are very important. In some countries, you can't go to school if you don't have your own school supplies. So I think school supplies is a great thing to send after you send your toys and of course, your wow item. She also has some colored pencils for school or for coloring. She has, this is just a little flying frisbee thing, just a party favor, just to add something a little extra, something else for fun. She has a foldable flying disc. I love these things, these little frisbees. I think they're great. And look at that. I can actually put it back in its thing. I don't know how long it took me to learn how to do something like that. You would think I would know. She has a set of watercolor paint. Watercolor paints are fine. It's liquid paints that we can't send because we can't send liquids. She has a little notepad that actually has a magnet on the back. She has a Rubik's Cube. I teach middle school and my middle schoolers love to play with Rubik's Cubes. Got a little keychain that has Baby Yoda on it. This is a little twirly fine thing. We have a backpack so that she can carry all of her stuff with her. She has, this was actually Valentine. It's one of those scratch arts. It's got a unicorn on it. So we did kind of have a little bit of a rainbow unicorn theme going on. And then I have some extra drawing paper in here, or she could use it with her watercolors. And that's it. I hope that this little girl enjoys the items that I've packed for her. I'm going to pack these back up. And to pack them back up, you always want to put your flat things on the bottom, or maybe even along the edges, so that everything can fit. You don't want to send air. You want to keep your shoeboxes just as nice and as full as possible. Some kids, this is the only gift they ever receive. You only get one shoebox. You don't get like a shoebox every year. You only get one shoebox in your lifetime. So I think it's important that we not send air, that we send our shoeboxes just as full as we possibly can, that they'll still close. And I'm just gonna pack everything right back up. There's also, they ask for $10 shipping, and that is nothing. If you've looked at the prices of shipping stuff lately, you know that to send this around the world, $10 is nothing these days when it comes to shipping prices. So make sure that you pay that $10. And of course, the most important thing to put in your shoebox is prayer. Praying for the girl who's going to get this shoebox, this 10 to 14-year-old girl, that she will be blessed, that she will know and learn about Jesus and accept him as her Lord and Savior. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Comment and tell me, do you do lid art or put something on the lid, or do you leave them plain? Thanks so much for watching. Toodles!